In this video, I will show you how to change the background color in Premiere Pro. This method works best if your image has a transparent background. Start by placing your image in the timeline. Move it to the second video layer by dragging and dropping it. If you only want to change the color of a specific part of the background, click and hold the Shape tool, then select the shape you want. Draw the shape according to the size you need, then go to the Properties panel and change the color. Make sure the shape is placed on the first video layer. If you want to change the entire background color, go to the Project panel, right-click, hover over New Item and select Color Matte. A small window will pop up. Keep the resolution settings as they are and click OK. Now you will be asked to choose a color. Pick the one you like and click OK. A new Color Matte layer will appear in the Project panel. Drag and drop it onto the first video layer. That's it. Your background color is now changed. If you found this tutorial helpful, check out more editing tips. Thanks for watching.